Okay, first we have this equation and we need to leave alone x. So the first thing you are going to do is to pass the independent value to the other side, that in this case is -1. So it will be 4 sine square of x equals to 1 positive, since we need to do a change of signs. Then we are going to apply a square root to all the equation in order to eliminate this term that is elevated to the square. So we are going to apply 4 sine square root of 4 sine square x, equals the square root of 1. This will give us 2 sine of x equals 1. Then we are going to need to eliminate this term of this side of the equation. So we are going to pass these 2 that is multiplying sign, we are going to pass it to the other side by dividing 1. So it will be sine of x equals 1/2. Then we need to leave alone x, as I said in the beginning of this video. So it will be x equals to sine, the opposite of sine, -1, by 1/2, and that will give us 30. And by doing the multiplication of conversion from degrees to radians, that will give us pi/6.
Well, we have first this 3 over cosine x minus 1 is equal to 3 minus 4 cosine of x. First, we have to multiply 3 by all of these, that it gives us 3 cosine x minus 3 is equal to 4 cosine of x. Then we have to pass cosine minus cosine x to the other side and 3 the independent value to the other side, and it gives you 3 cosine plus 4 cosine x is equal to 3 plus 3. And all of these result that 7 cosine x is equal to 6. Then we have to pass 7 that is multiplying, dividing. Cosine of x is 6/7. Then we have to pass the cosine to have x, and it gave us x is equal to cosine minus 1, 6/7, and this result is x equal to 31 degrees.
We have to clear the independent value that is 5, and it will pass like 2 cosine square x minus 4 cosine x, it's equal to 5. Then 2 cosine x minus 4 cosine x is equal to the square root of 5 because of the square term that we have over here. It will pass like 2 cosine of x, that is equal to the square root of 5. Then cosine of x is equal to the square root of 5 over -2. It will give us the result of x cosine minus 1, and then the square root of 5 over -2. If we put these terms on the calculator, it will give us a math error, so the problem has no solution.